So I am here because one, let's just start off. Your girl is natural and raw today. I've been on the phone all day with gift registries, insurance, change of name, change of blah, 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 blah. Pretty much I've been saying, representative, please. So you're getting this bare natural face, but I threw on some earrings. I brushed my teeth, I washed my face, so I'm clean. At first, I was just gonna post my baby shower video, but then I realized you guys needed some like insight, some direction, some inspiration so that you could see what I was going for and then what I got. It was kind of like a wedding, but not. We had 60 people, which is more than our wedding because we had a destination wedding and our wedding was 50 people. And like my social battery only goes, you know, so much, like, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to come to guide you through the process that we went through and some tips, a little bit of tricks, a little bit of fashion. Here we go. So first, I want to talk about this like elephant in the room type of thing almost. It's who throws this? Is it you? Is it a friend? Is it a sister? Is it a family? I don't know. I don't think there's an answer. There's really no answer to anything anymore. Who even are we? I hate throwing events for myself. I like other people, but like once it gets to me, for some reason, I don't like doing it because I feel the doubly pressure. So if I could just like throw a party but not be a part of it type of thing, like that's fun. It's fun creating, and it's also weird because what are you gonna do? Wait for someone to offer and volunteer tribute to help you? You know what I'm saying? And I literally just had a wedding last year, so all my best friends just threw me a party last year, literally last year. So I couldn't ask them to do anything, but it's like I don't want to plan it. So it was just kind of like putting feelers out. I guess when people would ask kind of about it, I would tell them, you know, I'm still trying to figure it out and I'm super last minute. So like, then I had a friend who offered her help, her services, and it just so happens that she is an event planner coordinator. She's super organized, and she reached out to me and she was just like, hey, letting you know I could help if you want. And when she said that, I felt like I was like, I will take your help. Events by Chantel, shout out, that's my girl. There was a couple of things that I bought, so, you know, like plates that were super cute. They're like these bamboo plates, a Monstera, napkins. I'll put some links down below so that you could check some of those stuff out. And I had my sister who makes desserts. She makes these amazing cookies. Like, they're so cute and they taste good. It's her and my mom, they have like this duo thing going on. It's really cute actually. So basically what I did is I assigned people who offered different tasks, and I feel like that was super helpful. So it wasn't too overwhelming for anyone. It was just kind of like, this is what I need help with. If you could help with any of these things, I'd be super grateful. One of my friends, she literally 2 weeks before, maybe 2 weeks before, or a week, maybe it was a week before the party, she was like, if you need any help, I could totally help you. And I was like, games. I didn't even think of a game. The first thing I did was I made a Pinterest board, but I couldn't decide if I wanted nautical or if I wanted like a safari jungle theme. The reason why I liked the nautical, because it was like this classic vintage clean look, and I don't think that many people do it, so it kind of like felt original, a little bit special. But you look at safari and jungle and like literally Pinterest is like littered with so much cute ideas. Like there's so many cute ideas with the animals and everything. What I decided is I made 2 Pinterest boards, and I was just trying to compare what I liked more. And I was like, you know what? Stop playing, Leisha. Who cares if people done it? Get your safari on, and then we're gonna do the nursery and nautical. So we got both. And I sent over my Pinterest board to Events by Chantel. Shout out Events by Chantel and my sister to show them kind of like what I wanted. And they literally brought my Pinterest board to life. It was so amazing and so beautiful, and I'm so grateful that I have like such amazing people in my life that want to like help and give and just be a part of such an important time. It's just awesome to have people in your life like that. Ooh, and then the day of, I was like getting ready, packing all my stuff, and I remembered I had this Polaroid camera and I had all this film from the wedding last year. So I just hit her up and I was like, hey, when we drop off like drinks and stuff, I'm also going to drop off this Polaroid and this guest book. If you guys could somehow incorporate it, let's use it, but if not, it's totally fine. And they found a way to use it so whenever someone came in, they took a picture with the backdrop and like wrote a little note, and it's just so cute. You gotta see it. Oh yes, the Taco Man. I didn't even talk about the Taco Man. The Taco Man was great. It was really nice to just have a Taco Man because it eliminates anyone having to do anything extra. The man came with everything, so we didn't have to bring anything. No one had to man the station. No one had to clean the food station. They did it, and so I definitely recommend getting like a one-person catering situation. And oh, I'm all over the place. My dress, duh! My dress was so cute. I don't know why I had any doubts. I got it off of Pink Blush Maternity, I think. But you just don't know how they're gonna fit, so I feel like I ordered it, and as I was waiting for it, I went to the mall, which I'm done. I'm done with the mall. Like, walking around, just back and forth, trying on things. No one has maternity clothes in stock, you know? So you're just trying on clothes in hopes that it fits. And then I was gonna order some backup options on Amazon. But I was like, Alicia, have faith. And then I tried it on and I was like, oh, this is it. It was great because it had a double lining, so you didn't have to worry about it being see-through. But then I was worried because it was hot. We're having a heat wave here in California. If people don't know, it's look at me, I'm sweating right now. I can't get any makeup on. I can't get my life together. It's just hot. The dress actually, it wasn't hot. Like, the dress wasn't hot. Like, it was just hot. The dress fit perfectly, and what I love is that I could wear it after I'm pregnant too. So this dress is getting its money's worth, you know? Or I'm getting my money's worth. Okay, I know this video was all over the place, but I just wanted to give a little bit of insight on the whole process and everything. Post, I have this horrible thing where I think too much after events. And that's what I did with the wedding. Like, after the shower, I didn't sleep because I was just like, did everyone have fun? Was it a good time? Did we, like, remember to do this? You know, like, for some reason, I can't. Like, I was literally just staring at the roof. It's not even that big of a deal. I don't know what I'm thinking about. I felt like I was so exhausted. Both of us were. Like, we came home and we just sat in the car for like 15 minutes. Like, we were beat. I feel like whenever you're the guest of honor or whatever, you want to, it's just work. I wish I could have just sat in a chair and then like people come to me. Is that doing too much? Maybe that's doing too much. That's doing too much. My bad. Like, I just really hope that everyone felt appreciated because, you know, we had people who flew in, we had people who drove an hour and a half. It was just like a lot of love, and I just really hope that everyone felt appreciated and everyone felt like they got some time. I hope that everyone felt like they had fun. I hope that they liked the food. I hope they enjoyed the games. And then like, oh, I did it again. Like, did I get all the right pictures? And I didn't get the pictures with just my parents. And I was like, I could have cried because I didn't get that at the wedding either. But yeah, that is it. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the baby shower video. I hope you have a baby shower, because it's super special and we're super blessed and we're super grateful to, you know, embark on this journey together and have so many people support our union and the growth of our family. It's just like a really special time right now. It is. It really is. Okay, I'm done. I'm done talking. I know this video is all over the place, but I hope you get what I was trying to get at. Toodles!